everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's that time, we're going deer hunting. I got the Jeep loaded, as you can see here. Got the XMR out back riding on the trailer. Everything's going good. I've got a stupid amount of stuff back here in the back of the Jeep. It's actually embarrassing how much stuff I have for a weekend trip. Other than that, I got about another hour and a half on the road until we get there. I probably won't be doing a whole lot of filming and setting up everything tonight. My goal is to get out there before the sun goes down, so I can get a little time in the deer stand. Other than that, good driving. Everything's going good, and we'll see you when we get there. What's up, everybody? It's about 4:15 in the morning. Got the old buddy heater fired up, kind of take the chill out of the air. Tent did good. A little cold, a little windy, a little bit of rain, not too bad though. I think for now I'm just gonna get ready to get out into the stand, get packed up, get the four-wheeler started, pack up some snacks, catch you out there in the field. What's up, everybody? It's about 6:30 in the morning. It's been pretty quiet. I did have a doe or a baby Bigfoot, I'm not sure. Something walked by this morning, but it was too dark. Couldn't really see it. I've heard a few shots go off, so I know the deer are moving. But for now, I'm just going to hang out and wait. I hope we get back to you guys in a little while. But here's my view. See you guys in a little bit. What's up, everybody? That's going to do it for the morning hunt. I did see a real nice buck come out from over here and finished off over there. I did took a shot at him, but I wound up shooting low and he ran off over into the woods. He was moving pretty quick across the field. This is kind of what we're looking at. It's about 11 o'clock now. We're gonna wrap up, go back, get some lunch, hang out for a little bit, and get ready for the evening hunt. Apparently there's rain moving in, so that's gonna make it real interesting. Yeah, that's about it. See you later. up, everybody? Getting ready to head back out for the evening shift, I guess you could say. I want to give you a little tour. It's my little setup. Works out pretty good. Got the tent in here. This tent's actually pretty cool. It's got plenty of room in it. Very happy. I threw the tarp up just so I can work in here and cook, not get rained on, because they're calling for a lot of rain tonight. But it's a good setup. I'm happy with it. The buddy heater works great. I just threw that in here, kicked it on for about 20 minutes just to get the chill out of the air. Everything's staying dry. Plenty of room in here. I can stand up. It's a good little setup. But for right now, I'm gonna let you go. We're heading back out in the field. Let's get us a deer. Check you later.
A hunter's prayer. We pray our sights be straight and our aim be true. We pray for no pain to the game we pursue. We thank you, Lord, for this land. We thank you for the sights from our stands. We pray for safety one and all. We pray we may return next fall.
Yeah, we got a good one. Here comes the rain. You see him right back here. I'll give him another minute or two. We'll go back there and drag him. What's up, everybody? Today's Sunday morning. I'm done hunting. As you can see, got one on the rack. I gotta take the skin off it, get it quartered out. Gonna process it at a buddy's house. Last night rained all night. It's pretty crappy, but tent kept me dry. Stayed nice and warm. Jeep soaking wet. I gotta start taking stuff down, getting everything packed up, and then take care of the deer. So it's gonna be a cold, wet morning. All right, everybody, I'm back. Got camp broke down, trailer ready. Got to load the four-wheeler on it. Tent and everything's packed away. You can see the deer back there. Got him all cleaned up. We got to do some more cutting on him, pack him up so we can get him in here. I got everything back in the Jeep. I guess I just got to load the four-wheeler on, put the tarps on, strap everything down. We'll be good to go. What's up, everybody? Well, that's gonna do it for deer season 2020. I got a cooler in the back with a quartered up buck in it. I'm pretty excited about it. Big thanks to Ryan and Jeff for letting me come out and hunt on your property. Always have a great time. Love doing it every year. got everything packed away nicely, if you want to call it that. There's a lot of things that I found I do need, a lot of things that I found I don't need. I was pretty happy with the tarp scenario. Going over the tent and everything kept me nice and dry when I was cooking. Worked a little too good though, because now the interior of the Jeep smells like everything I made all weekend. So it's gonna need a good detail when I'm finished. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's grow this channel. I got some driving to do. I got about 2 hours till I get home. In a true deer season fashion, kind of a tradition. Time to jam out to some Christmas music. That's it for now. I'll see you on next week's adventure.
Mm-hmm.